SHA helps you step by step. I think it's very scientific as well, what they're doing. It's medically, there is an expertise behind it. Everything that you do here, everything that you consume here is monitored. And I think that's the result of which you get when you leave. There's a very sophisticated machinery which detects what's happening within our body. SHA has the best of those machines today. When I came here, I was exhausted. I had put on a lot of weight. I was feeling unhealthy because just by sometimes being on a diet is not enough. It's a cleansing from within you, and that's what SHA does. I feel cleansed today. I feel like a new person, and it's just so rejuvenating more than anything else. It's a huge difference from day 1 to day 5.